How to squat properly. Squatting is a popular exercise for strengthening the quadriceps and hamstrings. And it's also one of the best exercises for building and toning your butt. But how do you squat properly? It's not as easy as it sounds, especially when you're just starting out. This guide will show you how to squat properly, step by step. Squatting is a great way to build muscle, burn calories and improve your mobility. But it can also be hard on the joints and spine. Here are some tips to help you squat properly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees to lower yourself down, keeping a natural arch in your back and toes pointing forward. Keep your weight evenly distributed through both feet, heels touching the ground. As you bend down, keep the weight in your heels, don't let all of it go onto the balls of your feet or toes. The squat is a fundamental exercise that can be done in many different ways. Squatting has been called the king of all exercises for good reason. It's an incredibly effective movement for strengthening your lower body, and it also helps improve your mobility and stability. Squatting is a great way to activate your glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, and calves. It's also one of the best movements you can do to strengthen the muscles around your hips and spine because it forces you to use these muscles while they are in a stretched position. Squatting is one of the most natural and fundamental human movements. It has been practiced for centuries and is a vital part of many cultures around the world. The squat is a great way to strengthen your leg muscles, improve balance and coordination, and increase flexibility in your hips. So be careful not to overstretch yourself. And until next time, take care of yourself.